Swift on the tour.
Yeah. LA the motherfucking goat, nigga.
В октябре, короче, будет, блядь.
Look, yeah. Big shit, pop, I ate some hoe, bet they know me. Probably with a hoe, blowing dope, moving low key. You don't gotta ice, cause you know I got it on me. I'm the reason that your baby mama mad at Ike phone. Chaos prime time, I'ma shine now like I'm Dion. Put her in that Benz, I had to take her out that Nissan. And we on whatever they assuming they is. And yeah, I talk a lot of shit, but I be handling business. Okay, I roll dope by the 7, no cap. Caught a nigga bitch in my lights, it's a rap. She wanna throw that ass back while she was dancing on the scrap. I told her, baby, better chill, for you really had a while. Okay, the problem with these niggas, know they really can't rap. He done stuck with that zip, so he really can't trap. They shot his ass one time, then they spent, they can't bite. One time for the spring, they made him get it like Drake. Okay, chopper make him breathe in, then breathe out. I'm the nigga that your BM wanna see back. I kill about me like I'm GI. I got rubber bands on me like T.I. Gucci to the sauce like B.I. Been had sweat when I was knee high. Got a sign on the trap, say keep out. And yeah, my bitch can cook, but I'm rich, so we eat out.
Ха-ха-ха-ха, заведу тебя в дом. Ха-ха-ха, хотя был с тобой не знаком. Танцуй, танцуй, я хочу тебя, оу. На мне, твоя бывшая. Все мои киты как будто сутенеры. У меня в альбоме дисс на твою суку, сори. Что будет, если мы с ней скурим водный из гондона? Янги тебя возбуждает даже без одеколона. У меня ща все пиздато, сука, того рот ебал. Делал себе треки с музы, пока Кент я ебал. Были пластыри на сердце, еле-еле отодрал. И были пластыри на хуй, чтобы никого не драл. Ты в душе ребенок видел на твоей заставке правду. Как избавиться от демонов внутри, если я дьявол? Я купил и бургер в Маке, потом сам же его схавал. Смотри в глаза, там все тонули, только я там плавал.
Chopper make him breathe in, then breathe out. I'm the nigga that your BM wanna see back. I kill about me like I'm GI. I got rubber bands on me like T.I. Gucci to the sauce like B.I. Been had sweat when I was knee high. Got a sign on the trap, say keep out. And yeah, my bitch can cook, but I'm rich, so we eat out.